Hi, this is Frank Hone with RV Dealer News, RV Lifestyle Magazine. I'm here today with Rich Chakan of Heng's Industry, here to talk about some new products he's got, some roof coatings, he's got some electric fans, and some roof vents as well. Hi, Rich. How are you today?
I'm great. I'd like to tell you about our newest coating that we have featured. It's the Gekko-Mobile roof kit, top coat, and it's a 100% silicone product. If applied correctly, you can get a 25-year warranty out of this product. It's a new product in the industry. It's a new formulation, as most of the other roof coatings are a water-based acrylic polymer. This is a 100% silicone. The kit comes with a cleaner as well as a liquid tape to go around your seams and your vents and any protrusions in the roof, and also comes with your roof brush and your roller. So it comes complete, and all you do is follow the instructions, and it's a two-coat process. You roll it on, and it'll take your temperature off your from your roof from 22 to 30 degrees. Drop your temperature.
Rich, I'm familiar with a trailer roof. I had an old one with a galvanized steel one. I had a new one with a I think they call it a rubber roof. It was an EPDM, and then there's some fiberglass roofs. Is this compatible with all those roof?
Yes,
coatings?
it is. Yes, it is. You can. It's really made for aged EPDM, but we can also put it on TPO, PVC, fiberglass, and it's also for galvanized and aluminum. So it'll go on any substrate as long as it's clean and dry. Well, this product here, as long as you wash it properly with our Gaco wash, put it in a sprayer, 9-to-1 parts, 9-to-1 water, and spray it on the roof for 15 minutes or so. Let it sit and do its work, and then you wash it off and make sure that that the roof is completely dry before you put the coating on. Also like to talk to you about our newest roof vent that we are featuring, and that is our Zephyr 2. And this is a 3-speed, 12-volt hookup. It's 3-speed forward, 3-speed reverse. It's got a remote to it, and it's also got a rain sensor. And it's a competes very well with the Fantastic and Max Air vent. And I think you'll see that the price is right. We also offer the non-powered vent, the 12-volt powered vent for the economy side. We also have replacement lids. We also have a product called a RV Chandelier, which you attach to your garnish of your vent. And we have an LED system set up where when you turn on your 12-volt vent, it produces 720 lumens, so it really lights it up for you.
I see there's two available. You got warm white and cool white?
That's correct. We also have the universal lids, replacement lids for, we have 4 different hinges. So we have the replacement lids for each of those hinges. We have another product called the Vortex, which is a kit that you can take an existing vent and upgrade it to a 3-speed, high-velocity situation. We also have the range hoods, table legs, tire carriers.
Thanks a lot, Rich. Really appreciate it. Your website?
Website is hengsindustries.com.